What's up, guys? Mike from Soundoftristate here in Folsom, Pennsylvania. We are back with the 2022 Audi E-Tron S. This is the second part of a three-part series on this vehicle. This is actually my car. Building this for demo purposes, do a lot of cars and coffee events and car shows. Plus, I usually have this thing here every day, so I'm able to show you guys what we can do and let you listen to it as well. So I'll go over what we got going on. I encourage you guys to stop up, take a look at it for yourselves in person, take a listen to it, and then that way we can see if we can build something for your car. So to get into it, I wanted to keep the flow of the trunk to match the rest of the vehicle. So I started with the door panel here. If you take a look at this door handle, it's got this hard edge and a three-dimensional shape. It's brushed aluminum. And then you see here this blue LED on a piece of acrylic. That's all factory. I was able to carry that into the trunk area here. So you can see that this is painted a brushed aluminum type finish. It's got the same hard edge as the door handle. And then you can see the blue LED in the acrylic, just like the factory has on the door. I got a piece of carbon fiber, which the vehicle also has throughout. I got gloss black acrylic here on the box, and just wanted to keep it real thin and have it flow throughout the vehicle as far as design elements. For the product itself, I have two 10-inch milli Hertz subwoofers, and then I have a DC 500 watt amp. Went with a smaller amp just to keep the amp draw low because this is a EV vehicle. So you can see it's really cool. It's floating here on standoffs. It's mounted to a piece of acrylic, which I have a white LED mounted for that. So really nice and clean. I am going to change the carpet. I had to make a cars and coffee event 2 weeks ago, so I used what I could find. European manufacturers really make their carpet hard to source. I was able to finally locate it, so I have that coming in. So I'll rewrap the carpet piece, and that'll be it. Part 3 series will actually be going over what I'm going to install on the inside. I'm going to be changing the front speakers. It's going to be a 3-way setup. The rears will be a 2-way component setup, along with a 12-channel amp. So stay tuned in a few weeks. I'll get all that wrapped up, make a final video, and again, definitely encourage you guys to come up and take a look and take a listen to this thing. All right, guys, thank you.